want to wonder what going on, officer. Move your butt! You don't touch me now! I'll move on. No! Run on him, man!
Hey, man, you know where you watch?
Dancehall skilla!
Hey, welcome, people. Dancehall skilla there again. Blessed manners and respect to each and every one. My people, I am going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened during a confrontation or an argument between a law enforcer and a person. My people, some harsh words have been said during the confrontation between those persons and the viewers and subscribers. And in my point of view, one of those persons was in the wrong. That's in my point of view. But anyways, based on some words that have been said in the video by the person who is said to be the law enforcer at least one point, and I'm also somewhat explaining to you according to what I understand what had been said. I got the understanding that the law enforcer was basically telling someone to move a motor vehicle from a certain spot. Please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. And who you think was in the wrong when it comes down to the situation? Observe.
Not me! Not me! I don't here! Come on, please! Move the bus! You want to move on? You're just a while on round. And you then you wait! So here, what are you doing? Like money! You must have done that! I don't know! Oh, me there! You got no! Any man later got move! This is just a road, you got move! You got wait! I got wait! I got yourself by! Hey, don't point up your look, bro! You ain't that good! You ain't that good! Move your bus! You don't touch me now! I'll move on! You hey, newsroom catching his dog!
But people, me hear a certain type of sound in the video that made me assume about a type of motor vehicle. Yeah, me hear a type of sound that made me assume me hear chain, and that made me think about one type of motor vehicle. But after me hear the sound, or when me hear the sound in the video, then me hear the person said these words. Listen. Who you think was in the right and who you think was in the wrong when it comes down to that situation? In my point of view, I think that one person was more wrong than the other, but at the same time, I think both was somewhat wrong at least one point. As I say, yeah, if you avoid an argument, the person who was being told to move the motor vehicle should have moved it and done. Leave a comment or comments, let me know what I think. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. Now, my people, I'm going to present another video to you, and I hope that this video can bring some form of awareness. The next video I'm going to present to you is going to show some things that happen when a person hit someone with an object. And then the situation reached to a point where the other person, who the person hit with the object, held an object and chased the person. I think the person chased the person in order to hit the person and so on. However, the situation reached to a point where someone in uniform started to move in at least one of those persons' direction, and then certain things start happening. So I say, some of the times I think it is best to try and avoid certain things from happening. It is not clear to my knowledge what might have caused the situation, but I got the understanding that certain things happened. And I also wondered about the mental health of at least one of those persons who was involved in the situation. I hope that this video can bring some form of awareness. So I say, I don't have any confirmed information to determine where the video will be recorded, and some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe.
a jet my mouth. Press him, Batman. Run at him, he run. He run. Run at him, Batman. He's all up. Run at him, Batman.
Within that time, because me not even realize another person also was holding an object or held an object at least one point. So me I say, and the video start off in a way where there was at least two persons looking or turned to a certain direction, then I should say. So me I say there are certain things that, still though, I wonder about the mental health of at least one of those persons who we see in the video, and you see the situation reached to a point where certain things happen. They just set away. I don't know where the video recorded. Anyways, I hope the video can bring some form of awareness. So me I say, yeah, walk away from some type of confrontations and be careful when it comes on to certain type of persons out on the street. Is what I say? Yeah. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. Now I'm going to present a video to you that I've recorded within the country of Jamaica. The video that I'm about to present to you is going to show some things that happened at the scene of where a motor vehicle that was being operated by someone at one point went off road and crashed into a structure or a house or a home. In the video, I hear a person saying some words that have me thinking at one point, viewers, subscribers. However, I got information that is not exactly the same as to what a person was saying in this video. So therefore, I want to make it very clear that I am not able to confirm if the words that the person said in this video are accurate, and I'm not able to confirm if any words that anyone said in this video are true pertaining to the situation. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe.
One look what you do.
Officer, my father, yes. I'm telling him, I see I think I'm going to.
Remember any name?
One for one now, go on, officer. And I'm a father.
I want it. Look for him.
Yeah, I'm telling him, I want it.
Double dead.
Anyway, so in the video, we see where a person show a finger that some persons might think of it as a certain type of thing. And so I ask the people, it's set away. But anyways, just to make it clear, viewers and subscribers, I got the understanding that there are certain information put out there about the situation, but I didn't get any confirmed information to determine certain things about the situation. But I do got the understanding that at a location within the country of Jamaica, a motor vehicle somehow went off road and crashed into a structure or a home. I don't like to live at a place where a type of road is above the house. I think it is dangerous and it's somewhat make me feel certain type of ways. You understand? I'm going to present at least one piece of video to you that's going to show some things that happened at the scene of where a motor vehicle somehow went off road and end up on at least part of a roof of a building. The reason why I explain it like that in the viewers and subscribers is because of the position that the motor vehicle was at, where two buildings are at, or where two roofs are at. So that's my people. No, I did not get any confirmed information to determine how exactly that might have happened. I did not get any confirmed information to determine where the incident might have happened, viewers and subscribers. But I got the understanding that somehow and at some point, that motor vehicle that I assume is owned by someone somehow went off the road and end up on at least part of the roof of a building. My people, that dangerous. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe. You see those persons up at that lesson? Yeah? That situation have me thinking certain ways, because when we look on that video, and I think I see at least one other video as well, but when we look at least one of those videos and see how the situation look, it have me thinking about even truck. I hope you understand what I'm saying when we say that to my people. Okay, my people, now if you're inside of a store, whether it wants to be this or that type of store, and you see someone do something like this that you're about to see in a video that I'm about to present to you, leave your comment or comments and let me know what would you think the person was doing. Take a look at this video. The video that I'm about to present to you is going to show a person putting some type of thing in a type of bag. What would you think the person was doing based on how the person was behaving and based on what the person had done? Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe. So in my point of view, it looked weird, so because if you notice at one point the person walked to a certain direction in a certain type of way when someone was walking towards that person's direction, and then at some point the person, it made me wonder if that person was alone when it comes down to certain things being done. Some people, in my point of view, it looked weird. So leave your comment or comments, let me know what would you think that person was doing if you see someone do something like that inside of a type of store, whether it wants to be this or that type of store. I don't have any confirmed information to determine where the video will be recorded, viewers, subscribers, or where that might have happened. Is what I'm saying to you. And I think here's where I'm going to leave it. So big up and respect to each and every one. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all, and until the next time, I'm name Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch.
Dancehall Skilla.